ass for Drake and shake that ass for me.
Shake that ass for Drake, now shake that ass for me.
What's good, y'all, man? It's your boy Dog, man. Hey, today, y'all, we doing the first bid of the Chrysler 300s POV, y'all. Hey, y'all, and I added something to the car. I didn't record this, bro, because I didn't think it was nothing big, but I added something small to the car, bro, that made the car look 10 times better, man. But hey, I ain't gonna lie, we finna check the car out real quick. I'm gonna show you what I added, and then we gonna get this quick POV, man. Simple as that. So y'all see it right here, man, the big Chrysler 300s. Y'all let me know if I should delete this Chrysler emblem, bro. I'm thinking about taking this off and maybe adding like a SRT emblem right there, bro. Y'all let me know, bro. But here we go, man, the Chrysler 300s, bro. We finna go crazy, bro. Y'all see frozen on, man. We got the blue calipers and stuff on the back and the front, bro. Y'all already know how the car look. Now let me show y'all what I added to the car, bro. Yeah, I know how the car looked before, bro. Look at this rear diffuser I just added, bro. This thing was only like, I got this thing for like $100, bro. And it makes the car look so much aggressive, cuz like, y'all already know how it looked before. Let me show y'all a picture. So that's how it looked before, and this is how it looks now, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's so much more aggressive, bro. And we gonna add the tips. I see we don't got the tips in yet. Let me show y'all the tips, man. We gonna get the tips in probably today or tomorrow, bro. We gonna get the tips in probably today, tomorrow. But y'all see we got the 5-inch carbon tips. Y'all already see what's going on. We gonna get those added on very soon, bro. Probably today or tomorrow, like I said, bro. But we finna get this POV added. Y'all see the rear diffuser, bro. Hey, we finna get straight into it. Let me get a quick cold start. Ain't gonna lie, y'all better not laugh. It's quiet, bro. Ain't gonna lie, right now, it sound like a little cat. Ain't gonna lie. Meow. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get that thing barking like a dog very soon, I promise you, man. We'll get the tips, we gonna get a muffler delete. But that thing sound decent, bro, without, you know what I'm saying, stock. That's all stock right there. We gonna get this shit cracking, man. Hold on, let's get inside the wheel. Oh yeah, we finna get active, I ain't gonna lie. First POV, I ain't gonna lie, I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited, I ain't gonna lie. First POV, y'all let me know what I need to be doing and not doing with the car. And I'm gonna give it to y'all, but I'm gonna need y'all to drop that like and hit that sub button, bro. That's the only way we need some money. I ain't gonna lie, we need some money. I'm trying to put a Hellcat in this bit, for real. So it's up to y'all if we get that I ain't gonna lie. Forget a Hellcat. I want a Hellcat. I want the Hellcat engine. The Hellcat engine, like, I think like 5 grand more than the Hellcat engine, bro. I want that Hellcat. That's 1,000 horses in that bit. I ain't gonna lie to you. But we gonna get active, man. Hey, let's get it. Y'all already see? Let me go down. Hey, we finna get cracking. I ain't gonna lie, after this video, bro, I might go ahead. Dang, hold on, bro. I'm close to the garage. Hold on, let me chill. I ain't gonna lie. Right after this video, I might go to the muffler shop and go get those tips added on and get some muffler deletes. Or I might straight pipe. Y'all let me know what I should do, bro. Y'all gotta hurry up and let me know what I should do, though. It's either straight pipe or we just gonna get some deletes, bro. Like rear muffler deletes and probably mid muffler. I don't know, bro. Y'all let me know. Or should we just straight pipe it? But I ain't gonna lie. We gonna go to the gas station real quick, fill up real quick, and we gonna be right back. But my car is almost done. We got the tints, man. We got the brake calipers. We got the rear diffuser. Now, y'all, I just kind of want, I either want the hood added to, I need a Viper hood or a Hellcat hood. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get the blue stripes to match the brake bimbros. You know what I'm saying? So it's really gonna be frozen on after the stripes. You feel me? But I gotta get the hood first. I need a Hellcat hood or a Viper hood. Or what else we need to the car? Rims. We need some SRT rims. Probably some replica rims. I ain't gonna lie. Some 5 spokes for real. And then shoot, I ain't gonna lie, we done after that. And then we going to the engine work. Simple. I ain't gonna lie, probably some stage 1, 2. I ain't gonna lie, so much. I ain't gonna lie, I don't even know what I'm telling y'all, but I'm telling y'all, you know what I'm saying? Everything I'm telling y'all, we gonna accomplish. And then I ain't gonna lie, next year, y'all really want that Hellcat, bro. Hellcat, that Hellcat swap, or that Hellcat swap, for sure.
Is that the one?
I hope so.
Okay.
All right, man, so I had 3/4. I had 3/4 of a tank, bro. And I just added $20, bro. So if I swear to God, if this 20 fills up the rest what I had, bro, I'm gonna be pissed. I ain't gonna lie. $20 for just a quarter of gas is crazy. Bro, this is not okay. Hey, bro, hey, where Trump at, cuz? Get that nigga Biden up out of there. I ain't gonna lie to you. Bro, this bitch finna take the whole 20 for a quarter of gas. Motherfucker. Bro, so y'all seen that bullshit, bro. $20 to just give me a quarter of gas, bro. Are we even full? Bro, we not even full. What the? Bro, we not even full, cuz. We got the, oh, hell no. Hey, who want this motherfucker? Cause I don't want no more. Hell no, bro. That's dead. I'm out here getting scammed and shit. Like, what the fuck? $20 for a quarter gas. I'm a cheap ass dude, bro. But I should have never got a car. I should have got a Honda. I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all know me, bro. Y'all know me, bro. Y'all know I'm cheap as hell. But we finna get out here and do this POV though, real talk. I don't even know where we finna go, man. We finna just hit this. Hold on. Ain't gonna put the windows down just a little bit. Put the windows down a little bit so y'all can hear that engine, you know what I'm saying? Our shit ain't roaring yet, bro. But it's gonna be roaring soon, you feel me? What's today, man? Today's Saturday, man. Cooler day, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's gonna be heavy traffic or light traffic right now. It's still early in the day. What time is it? It's like 9 a.m., y'all. It's like, yeah, it's 9:30 right now, bro. All jokes aside, bro, I really do love this car, though, bro. I already put, like, I ain't gonna lie, I only have the car for, like, a month. And I think I put, like, like 2,500 miles on the car already, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I need to chill, bro. I just be driving everywhere. I'm saying, just get a couple little pulls, bro. Nothing crazy. Couple little pulls. And I ain't gonna lie, we gonna put this thing in sport mode, for real, for real. That's really what we're about to do. Put this thing in sport. Hold on. Steering wheel got tight. Y'all see that? Y'all see that green flag? Get a couple pulls in this bit though, for real. No cap. Nah, but this hey, this first little POV though. First little POV in the goddamn 300s. I ain't gonna lie. It's only a 5.7, man. Only a little 5.7, man. I ain't gonna lie, that torque though that the Chrysler got compared to the Charger is crazy though. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I raced the RT, I raced the Mustang, I beat both of those with just a 5.7. It's all stock, like, you know what I'm saying? So this thing got a little power, but scat packs, you know what I'm saying? I said Hellcats. No, we ain't beating those yet. I ain't gonna lie, I could probably keep up with that scat though once I get that stage 1 tune. I ain't gonna lie. Once I get that stage 1 tune, we might be on to something. I'm gonna get a cold air intake as well, bro. There's a whole bunch of shit we gonna add to this whip though, bro. Whole bunch of shit we gonna add to this. Oh, I think it's a bridge to the left. Oh yeah, we got a little bridge to the left. Oh yeah, we can get active. You know what I'm saying? We got a little something. I ain't gonna lie, we gotta make this thing louder, bro. We gotta make this louder, bro. This car is too quiet. I ain't gonna lie, it has too much power to be too quiet, bro. Like compared to the RTs, like the Charger RTs and stuff like that, bro. Like they exhaust system is just louder, bro. But like this a Chrysler, bro. Chrysler a little bit like Chrysler is literally just a luxury Dodge, bro. That's literally all it is, bro. So we just gotta add a couple Dodge parts to the whip, which we got the carbon tips, the 5-inch chips. We gonna add that today. I ain't gonna lie. After this video, we add that today, bro. You know what I'm saying? That thing got a little power to it now, you feel me? We gonna up that thing a little bit now. And I ain't gonna lie, I think there's a muffler shop ahead. I ain't gonna lie to you, we might get 2 in 1. No cap. Well, that thing sound good though. I ain't gonna lie, the stock even sounds decent, bro. Like, the stock exhaust system sound good, bro. You can hear that thing. It want to bark. It's purring like a little cat right now. That thing really want to bark. That motherfucker really want to bark though. I ain't gonna lie. Push it. What we at? 30. Gonna get active, real talk. No, but this car, bro, I love this car, bro. It drives smooth. I ain't gonna lie. The scariest part about this car though, when you go like 100 gang, you can't feel that you're going 100. Like, I mean, like 100 and like GTA, you feel me? YouTube, you know what I'm saying? YouTube be on dick, yeah. And on GTA, when you're going 100 on GTA, you can barely feel your car going fast. You feel me? This car smooth as hell, bro. I like this car, bro. I recommend this car. If y'all think about getting a Charger or if y'all think about if you want a scat pack or something like that, scat pack or higher, okay, go ahead and get that Dodge. Your shit might get stolen. I ain't gonna lie, Chrysler got a little bit more safety system to it, but that's just me. But that's really why I didn't get the scat pack, bro. I was gonna get a scat, but them bitches get stolen too quick, bro. Like a Chrysler got a little something. I ain't gonna lie, it's a muffler shop here. Let me see if they open, gang. The crazy thing, police are usually not out Sunday mornings, bro. So I ain't gonna lie, we could really push this thing if we really want to. Y'all hear it. Y'all hear it now. I ain't gonna lie. We gotta add some tips. We gotta add some tips on this joint. I ain't gonna cap, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie, that sounded decent, bro. Y'all heard that little purr in that bit. That thing get nice and juicy for me. That thing get nice and wet for your boy. Ooh, sucky.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell
Get your ass. Sucky, sucky. A lot of nigga low key hungry. I ain't eat shit, bro. Hey, I'm really grinding. I'm finna get grind. I'm really grinding right now for y'all boys. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I woke up. Shoot, brush my teeth. Now I'm recording, gang. I ain't eating. It's 9:46. Suck a nigga dick. Like, nigga hungry as hell, bro. Pause. I ain't gonna lie. I was saying suck my dick. I wasn't saying I'm a sucking nigga. Pause. Cause I know how y'all be. Y'all nigga be fruitcakes on this shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. Fruit salad that nigga. Come. Oh, dang, this big ass Target truck. God damn, boy. Oh, shit. Nah, this thing rides smooth though, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. This shit rides smooth, gang. I love this car, bro. And it's different, bro. Everybody got a charger. When you go to car meets and stuff like that, bro, everybody got a charger. Scat Pack, Hellcat, bro. Hell no. We finna get this Chrysler. We gonna tune this bitch out. And this bitch gonna be crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. We gonna have the hardest 300. I ain't gonna lie. Dang, I already got the hardest 300 in the loo already. And I ain't even, because not that many people got this motherfucker. You feel me? With a couple car meets out here, bro, I only seen like 2 other Chryslers, bro, and they should look standard like a motherfucker. Hold on, but let me put that, I ain't gonna lie, we got that roof now. Hold on, we got that. I forgot to show y'all that, boy. Hold on, we got that roof. We got that roof. Ain't gonna lie, nigga hungry though. What's a nigga eat though, chat? Ain't gonna lie, it's McDonald's breakfast. Ain't gonna lie, McDonald's breakfast gonna forever hit. I don't give a fuck, y'all. Everybody be talking about McDonald's like y'all want to talk about McDonald's like y'all wasn't raised on that shit. It's really disrespectful. Ain't gonna lie, they been tripping though. And it's like $3 for a McDouble and shit. They definitely wildin' though. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I might as well go to goddamn Smash Burger or goddamn Five Guys. Why is a McDouble $4? What's going on? Nigga, I remember I could buy four McDoubles, small fry, some cookies, a shake, a McChicken, and that bitch $7. Now that shit $100. No, God, that shit $100. Boy, 5 sandwiches and a little fry and a little shake and a little dessert. Yeah, that's what I eat. You on my dick, get off. Hey, man, y'all boys got me this car, man. If y'all not subscribed to the 2K channel, if y'all play 2K, make sure y'all go subscribe to the 2K channel. Y'all paying for my whip, man. I love y'all niggas, man. Simple as that, bro. I love y'all niggas, bro. Real talk, bro. Got my dream car, bro. And now we just work, we building it. You know what I'm saying? I could have easily bought a Chrysler. Could have bought, you know what I'm saying? I could have financed a Hellcat Chrysler, you know what I'm saying? Waited a couple months and stuff like that, stack up the bread, and finance that thing, or something like that, bro. I don't know. But like I was saying, man, I'd rather build the car than just buy the car, buy a Hellcat Chrysler. I see some Hellcat Chrysler for like 30K, 35K. But I'd rather build the car, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all the swap, show y'all what I'm adding to the car and everything like that, and build it from the ground up. Simple as that. Y'all seen what I started with? And we gonna see what we finish with. Simple as that, man. But that was the first POV. I hope y'all enjoyed, man. Y'all see the car is definitely tough, man. I like this better than the Charger. I ain't gonna lie. Once you mod it out, once you mod the Chrysler out, the Chrysler's better than the Chargers, man. Shout out to all my Chrysler guys out there. I know it's not that many Chryslers on YouTube, but shit, we gonna make this shit poppin' simple. Dodge and shit. On that Dodge shit, Dodge is the new Honda. Everybody named mama got one now, bro. That shit don't impress nobody. But you gonna see this Chrysler come through, it's like that, for real. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all hit that like, hit that sub button, man. Share the video, man. Hey, I'm finna go to this. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna go to the exhaust shop right now and make this thing. Don't worry about it. Y'all finna see, man. Stay tuned. I'm out this thing.